Welcome back to our channel. Today the 2025 Volvo XC90 represents the pinnacle of luxury, safety, and innovation in the SUV market, solidifying its position as a benchmark for premium vehicles. As Volvo's flagship model, the XC90 continues to set the standard with a perfect blend of Scandinavian design, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance. At first glance, the exterior of the 2025 XC90 exudes sophistication. With its sleek, aerodynamic lines and bold grille, the SUV delivers an understated yet commanding presence on the road. New LED headlights with advanced adaptive functionality enhance visibility while adding a modern aesthetic touch. Its minimalist yet elegant design language ensures it stands out in a crowded SUV segment. Under the hood, the 2025 XC90 is offered with an array of powertrains designed to suit a variety of needs. The lineup includes mild hybrid options and an improved plug-in hybrid model, delivering exceptional efficiency without compromising performance. The plug-in hybrid, in particular, boasts a longer electric-only range, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious drivers seeking sustainable transportation. Inside the cabin, the XC90 continues Volvo's tradition of prioritizing comfort and functionality. Premium materials such as Nappa leather, sustainable wood trims, and metal accents create an inviting, luxurious atmosphere. The seats, ergonomically designed and adjustable in multiple ways, provide unmatched comfort for long journeys. Advanced noise insulation ensures a serene driving experience, while the panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light. The centerpiece of the interior is Volvo's state-of-the-art infotainment system. The large, vertically oriented touchscreen is powered by Google's latest Android Automotive OS, providing seamless integration of Google Maps, Google Assistant, and the Play Store. Connectivity features include 5G support and wireless smartphone integration, ensuring drivers stay connected on the go. Rear passengers are not left behind, as they enjoy their own set of entertainment options via dedicated screens. Safety has always been a cornerstone of Volvo's identity, and the 2025 XC90 continues this legacy with an arsenal of advanced features. Volvo's next-generation pilot assist system combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering technology for semi-autonomous driving capabilities. The vehicle also boasts a new LiDAR-based collision avoidance system, further enhancing its ability to detect and mitigate potential accidents. The 2025 Volvo XC90 is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement of progressive luxury, environmental consciousness, and top-tier safety. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the XC90 ensures you do so in style, comfort, and peace of mind. With its unmatched blend of design, performance, and technology, the 2025 XC90 continues to lead the charge in the luxury SUV market.